welcome to another Blushing BB YouTube video. So last time I mentioned that my shop will be closed until August due to vacation, so I decided to release a new kind of video for you guys that isn't a restock video, and I finally have the time to edit some really cool videos like tutorials and reviews that I hope you guys will enjoy. So this first video is long overdue and I really have to apologize for the delay. So I won Moon Cotton's 100k giveaway a while back, and I received this giveaway package back in March. This was filmed a few days after I got the package, but I just never had time to edit the video because I've been busy with restocks and making sure all your orders are made and shipped on time. I wasn't sure whether or not I should even post this video when I'm this late, but I just thought you guys might want to see what I got. Anyway, I feel so lucky to have won this giveaway. I've been a huge fan of Katie from Moon Cotton even before I started my slime account, and a long-time admirer of all her creations. So when she published her giveaway, I didn't even hesitate to enter. I had never won a giveaway before, but I still thought, why not? And to this day, I'm still so thankful, and I'm still loving a lot of these slimes to this day, and the bag, of course. So moving on to what I won, first of course was this gorgeous Kendall and Kylie leather bucket bag along with 3 6-ounce slimes and 2 3-ounce slimes of my choice. After the giveaway, I also ordered 2 extra 6-ounce slimes from Katie, which was shipped along with the giveaway package as you'll see in the video. Alright, so let's go through each of these awesome prizes. This purse from Kendall and Kylie is just stunning. It's made from supple but structured black leather, and it's got gorgeous holographic silver hardware that gives it a really cool and edgy touch without being too much. It also came with a shoulder strap. We also have a nice and neat dust bag. So let's dig into the purse. I'm just removing the paper stuffing from the bag real quick. A little tip is to always keep the stuffing that comes with your bag so that you can place them inside your bag when you're storing it, and it just keeps the bag from losing its structure and shape. The bag itself is pretty roomy. There are also these adorable little holographic metal feet to protect the leather when you place your bag down on a surface. And now onto the slimes. I have 7 slimes to review in total, but 2 of those were purchased. I love the warning labels at the top of all her containers. I think they're so professional, and the rainbow colors are also really cute as well. The first slime I'm going to review is Summer Carnival. First, let's talk about how stunning this is. It's scented like all the delicious sweets you would get at a carnival: funnel cakes, cotton candy, and ice cream. This is such a thick, holdable, spreadable, and stretchy butter slime, and it also gets really sizzly. So I'm just going to stop talking now so that you guys can enjoy the audio ASMR of the slimes. I can't seem to recall the name of this next one, but it looks just like the Summer Carnival slime, but in a thick cloud form. This is super soft and sizzly, and it fluffs up really nicely too. Next up is Fortune Cookie, which is one of my favorite slimes from her to date. The texture is similar to Summer Carnival. It's a doughy and totally stretchy butter clay slime that smells just like fortune cookies. This is such a relaxing slime to play with, and I've never had to activate this in the 4 months I've had this so far. If you can get your hands on any of her slimes, this is definitely one I very strongly recommend. Fresh Hotel Towel is one of the most unique slimes I've ever experienced. First of all, when I first opened this, the scent reminded me so much of fresh laundry. It smells so clean and refreshing. The texture is super creative. It's cool and soothing to the touch, ultra soft, and the textured appearance reminds me of a fluffy white cotton towel. The last slime in the giveaway is Chocolate Orange Whip. This is a sizzly, fluffy, and super soft cloud slime, and oh my god guys, this is one of the best selling slimes I've ever gotten. The blend of citrus orange and rich chocolate blend together so well. It's so yummy and fresh at the same time. So, like I mentioned, I purchased 2 slimes from her, which were included in the giveaway package. The first one was Taro Flesh. This is another one of my favorite scents in slime ever. It smells just like taro, sweet and starchy, and just so amazing and realistic. I seriously don't know how she does it. The texture feels just like frozen slushy. It's soft, sizzly, creamy, and cooling. I am obsessed with this, and I just purchased my second one of this a few weeks ago just to have another one on hand. And lastly, we have Supreme Butter. This also came with a Supreme sticker. This slime is such a beautiful shade of red. I don't know how she makes it so vibrant. I believe this is unscented, which I don't mind at all since sometimes I just want to purely enjoy the texture of a slime without scent. The texture is similar to Fortune Cookie and Summer Carnival. Again, one of my favorites. So sizzly, doughy, holdable, and stretchy. Alright guys, so this is it for what I received in my awesome giveaway package from Moon Cotton. I really want to thank Katie again for hosting this wonderful giveaway. I'm planning on releasing either a review of famous slime shops, a comparison review of a specific type of slime, or a tutorial next. Let me know in the comments what you want me to post first. If you enjoyed my video or if you want to support me, please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate your help, and don't forget to subscribe to make sure you don't miss any videos in the near future. Alright guys, I'll see you again real soon. I hope you have a great week ahead. Bye!